Hello everyone, it is the next day. What? Hello everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I just finished packing up the 2 packages that I have to send out. So the bat rug sold to the wonderful and lovely Lady. If you haven't been to my stream, Lady is one of my mods and one of the most wonderful people on the planet. What do you want me to say? And then also, another lovely person bought the spooky ramen rug during stream too. It was like really cool. So yeah, 2 rugs going out. I now only have Frog available. Froggy Witchy rug still available on my website. But I did pack, well, they were mostly packed. I just had to put some paper in there. And also, they both have extra things in there. Anyways, so I am now getting ready for stream. And I have this, by the way, look. Aren't they amazing? I love both of them so much. Yeah, I guess you've already seen this one done, but this one, I don't think you've seen that we added this like darker brown to the eyes and the nose. Doesn't that look great? And then this one, oh, the color scheme is like really perfect. Yeah, I think for stream today, I want to work on this heart design. It's like hearts and hearts and hearts. I originally drew it to be like 2 tones of pink, but I was thinking this morning, what if I do rainbow? Like a rainbow heart, like red, orange, yellow, like each tier will be a different color of the rainbow. It could be really cute. And instead of doing like red, orange, I would probably do maybe like pastel-y version or like neon-y version, like different versions of the color, because I'm not a huge fan of like red. Plus I don't even know if I have all of the rainbow colors in like primary color versions of them. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, we're gonna look through my stock of yarn to see what I've got. Okay, so for the first one, I was thinking, what if we do this ridiculous neon color? I know it's pink. You don't need to say that. I know it's pink. Don't judge me, okay? You don't judge me. I don't need it. I don't want it. I don't think I have any like neon oranges. I have mostly like pumpkin oranges. Okay, actually, I do have this red. Look, do you see it? Look at that. That you can't even see that. Very like candy red. Can I have more of this? That would be so great. Look at this orange. It's perfect. It's so bright, but that's all I have of it. We would need kind of a lot. Hey everyone, it's the next day. Look. 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 Look at it. Isn't it stunning? It's so happy and so pretty. I filmed a couple of things to make a post, so I'm probably gonna be posting a short of like a YouTube short, the equivalent of a TikTok, the equivalent of a reel. Actually, I probably already posted it because I'm planning on posting it later today. It's just giving like Lisa Frank, and I love it. I just want to like look at it. I definitely want to make more. I was thinking that this heart design could be another one of my sort of like staples, like the slime rugs, because it takes such little amounts of yarn that I can use like little amounts of yarn. You know what I mean? Like the little tiny cakes. So what I wanted to work on, oh my god, he looks kind of creepy. What I wanted to work on was an idea for this keyboard rug. So it's like a cloud design, but what I wanted to do with it was the background be a gradient, and I have been looking for like the perfect gradient yarn that kind of looks like sunset-y colors, and I swear I've used one before, like the fuzzy one. Wasn't there one that like faded? I don't know. I want like, for some reason I want like 3 colors, and nothing is doing it for me. Everything I've found online just like isn't what I'm picturing. So I kind of wanted to go from like a yellow to a peachy and then a pink and then purple. Anyways, yeah, so I want to see and test before we actually tuft onto that keyboard rug. I want to pull out some colors and test if I can do it myself. It's not a lot of space that I have to do the actual gradient real nicely, but maybe. I don't know. Okay, I dug up some colors. This is what I want to try to do. I want to go from this yellow to the pink to the purple. Very pastel, very soft. So I guess I'll just pick a spot in the frame. I don't have a lot of room, honestly. I have a spot down, way down there, that I think I'm gonna have to try it on. Okay, I'm gonna start with 2 strands of the yellow. Alright, I'm switching to 1 yellow, 1 pink. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. I put a couple of lines of pink down here so that it like blends better. So now I'm going to do 2 strands of pink and get rid of the yellow entirely. Here we go with double pink. I'm doing a couple of solid pinks down in the 1 strand yellow, 1 strand pink section just to see if it'll help it blend more. Switch to 1 strand yellow, no, sorry, 1 strand pink, 1 strand purple. 1 pink, 1 purple. Me packages were picked up, which means I can shut my door and turn my music up. Now we'll switch to double purple. This, hold on, what do you think? Did this like kind of work? It looks so pretty. Okay, I want to see it from the other side before I fully decide. Okay, so this is how it looks on the other side. It's beautiful. It's so perfect. Maybe a tiny bit more like blending into the pink from the yellow, but otherwise this is perfect. Also, look at this on the other side. Oh my god. It's beautiful. The frame is looking so beautiful. Okay, so that worked. I'm so happy about that because I love these colors. They're exactly what I wanted. I think what helps them blend too is that they're sort of like the same tone family. I feel like I've been saying that word a lot lately for some reason, but I don't know. They're like all of these really soft pastels. And now I can check things off of my list. Packages were picked up and tested the gradient. It's so pretty. All right, I just finished punch needling this entire thing. And now we need to fill in the heart part for this one. If I wanted to, so these are loops on the other side. Let's say I wanted to cut all of the loops so that it's, you know, just like ends like the tufting is. Could I like brush them out to make it fluffy? Is there a tool that I should get to be able to like brush it out, like floof it up? Let me know. Okay, so I've finished, and I wanted to ask a question. Do you see how some of the loops, like this one, are like pushed out? What the fuck? My depth perception. How do I like not do that with the punch needle? Like I push it in, and if it catches a loop on the other side, how do you not do that? How do I stop doing that? Anyways, I just end up cutting them, which is part of why I was wondering if I could just like cut all of these loops and then brush it out to make it fluffy. So now we have 2 finished. Good morning. Well, I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I don't even know what I did yesterday. Yesterday is lost to the void. I'm not really sure. Your battery. It's dying. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. Change your battery. Anyway, don't know what happened yesterday. I did stream, so that happened. Oh! You know what happened yesterday? I did the gradient for the keyboard rug. It's also dark in here because it's rainy, dreary, sad day. You know what? I'm just gonna insert a clip with my phone. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it came out so good. I do think, to be honest, I think from the back here, stunning. From the front, the pink feels quite blocky still, so I think I'm gonna try to like, I don't know, blend more yellow into it. I also packed up an order this morning. Somebody got a sticker. So if that was you, thanks. I packed it this morning. This frame is just looking so happy and bright and it's just great. I'm really happy with how this frame is turning out. I definitely want to do more blends like this. I feel like there needs to be more keyboard rugs. Like, look at it. There needs to be more. Anyways, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. I do have one rug left at the moment. It is Frog Witch Rug. The link to my website is down in the description. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.